In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your gamification Notion template. Now, whether you're a seasoned Notion user or someone who's just getting started, this tutorial is perfect for getting the most out of your experience. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, let's make sure you're in the right place. Open your web browser and go to the Notion website, where your workspace, docs, and projects come alive. It's your home base for all things organized. If you're not already logged in, no worries. Head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Login button. If you usually log in with an email, make sure you have your credentials handy. It might take a few seconds, especially if you haven't logged in for a while. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Notion home. This is your main dashboard where all the magic happens. You might notice it's quite a bustling place with projects, notes, and databases, but don't be overwhelmed. We're here to set up that gamification template. Next up, look towards the left-hand side where you'll find the Templates button. Click on it and you'll enter the land of endless possibilities. You'll see a wide array of template options designed for just about everything you can think of. Now, go to the search bar and type in gamification. Tap Enter, and this will bring up all the relevant templates in a matter of seconds. You might notice a few options popping up, each with unique features tailored for different needs. Take a moment to glance through them and decide which one fits your use case the best. After you've decided on a template that suits your needs, click on it to open the detailed view. You'll see a preview of the template, which will give you a good idea of its structure and components. If it checks all your boxes, then it's time to add it to your workspace. Click on the Add button, and just like that, your template will be part of your workspace. Don't worry if this feels like a big commitment. It's not. You can always remove or change it later. Finally, let's tailor this template to better fit your specific goals and preferences. Click on the Customize button. Here, Notion offers you the flexibility to rename sections, add new ones, or even integrate databases. Customize it as per your needs, and soon enough, you'll have a gamification system uniquely yours. And there you have it. You've set up your gamification Notion template successfully. Feel free to explore and adjust as needed. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips on getting the most out of your digital platforms.